three characteristics of existence. All formations are transient. All formations are subject to suffering. All things are without an ego entity. Corporeality is transient. Feeling is transient. Perception is transient. Mental formations are transient. Consciousness is transient. And that which is transient is subject to suffering, and of that which is transient and subject to suffering and change, one cannot rightly say, this belongs to me, this am I, this is my ego. Therefore, whatever there be of corporeality, of feeling, perception, mental formations, or consciousness, whether one's own or external, whether gross or subtle, lofty or low, far or near, one should understand according to reality and true wisdom, this does not belong to me. This am I not. This is not my ego. Suppose a man who is not blind were to behold the many bubbles on the Ganges as they are driving along, and he should watch them and carefully examine them. After carefully examining them, they will appear to him empty, unreal, and unsubstantial. In exactly the same way does the monk behold all the corporeal phenomena, feelings, perceptions, mental formations, and states of consciousness, whether they be of the past or the present or the future, far or near. And he watches them and examines them carefully, and after carefully examining them, they appear to him empty, void, and without an ego. Whoso delights in corporeality, or feeling, or perception, or mental formations, or consciousness, he delights in suffering. And whoso delights in suffering will not be freed from suffering. Thus I say, how can you find delight and mirth where there is burning without end? In deepest darkness you are wrapped. Why do you not seek for the light? Look at this puppet here, well rigged, a heap of many sores piled up, diseased and full of greediness, unstable and impermanent, devoured by old age, is this frame, a prey of sickness, weak and frail, to pieces breaks this putrid body. All life must truly end in death. And we can definitely say that these things are real. It's just they're not the thing. They're